this should work because a bottle of vodka does not freeze in a regular freezer. So we should get a nice vodka slushy from this mix. And I'm going to use the whole bottle of vodka. Beautiful. That's 750 milliliters for all of you who don't know. So you could use 2 bottles if you want. You got space for it. Be super strong though. Now you come behind that, we have here frozen limeade. Okay, we had this sitting on the counter a little while, so this should be slushy enough for us to just pour it on this funnel. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh goodness. That's why I have my bar spoon right here. See, let me just. Now you could stop right now. You could drink this as is. It'd be a very limey, sweet mix, but it should be good. Give this a nice shake to give this. Oh God, that smells good. Okay, now we grab our Mountain Dew, and now we come in with our Mountain Dew. And guys, this should give us a really pretty color. Wait a minute, is this enough to fill this bottle? Because we're running low. There's a lot of space left. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make the finish line, guys. Are we? Can I shake this? It is a soda, but there's a lot of other stuff going on in here, so maybe it won't explode. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Woo! And we got our rocket fuel. Homeboy, that good to go. That good to go. And see, guess what? Okay, this was out of my my gym water thingy.
No, it was out of your Jack and Coke dispenser. Remember?
Just stick with the story. This is what I go to the gym with, okay? And you put that in there. You know? Hey guys, how you guys doing? You know, you having a party? No one have to touch your drink. Okay? Because you're safe here. This is just you. Actually, this is not for one person, but y'all already know that. Share it with someone, okay? Get yourself a big straw like that, and you could seal up. Around here isn't sealed. Hold on, let's see. And there you have it, homeboy! Rocket fuel!
This was sent to us by Teresa Como, but she didn't tell us to do it quite like this.
All right? As always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Good looking out, Teresa. Teresa Como.